Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning and assessing the chip or scratch so you know exactly how deep it is and if rust is involved. Once clean, sand around the area to a feathered edge. This helps the touch-up paint blend smoothly. Make sure to remove any loose rust with a wire brush and confirm the vehicle paint code from the door jamb or manual. Then test the manufacturer's touch-up on a spare plastic card to verify color and flow before you apply to the car. Now you apply the touch-up paint with controlled, thin strokes so each layer bonds and dries evenly. Once you lay down a thin coat, let it flash for 10 to 20 minutes depending on temperature. This prevents runs and traps fewer solvents. Make sure to build the paint in thin layers until it's level with the surrounding clear coat, because a single thick application will sag and show. If you need precise placement, use a toothpick or syringe for small chips. Then step back and inspect. Finish the repair by wet sanding gently with 1,500 to 2,000 grit to blend the edges, and then polish with a fine rubbing compound to restore gloss. Once done, apply a clear coat if the repair lacks depth, and let it cure for 24 to 48 hours before waxing. If the result shows color mismatch or orange peel, resand lightly and reapply thin paint and clear layers. This corrects texture and color because controlled layering and sanding remove defects without harming surrounding paint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.